Hello, friend. I'm Jim Henderson. If you came here wanting to learn how to count cards in Vegas, then you're at the wrong place. But if you want to learn how to play two saxophones at once, like I've been doing for 50 years, then come on! I've been playing these two Selmer Mark VIs together since about 1964 or 5, when I heard and met Rahsaan Roland Kirk at a shopping mall in New Jersey. If you want to know something more about one of the most amazing instrumentalists of the 20th century, check out Adam Kahan's video documentary about Rahsaan. It's called The Case of the Three-Sided Dream. When I asked Rahsaan on a break, how do you play 3 saxophones at once? He patted my hand and said, "Kid, just start with 2. And I did. I went home that night and started to play a song called The Hucklebuck that I was playing with my high school rock band. If you want to hear that song, you can check it out on this CD. I'll show you how to play it on tenor and on alto, 2 saxophones at a time. Hey, but don't ask me what the hucklebuck means. To answer that question would take us way beyond the purpose of this video. Let's start by learning the chorus of the hucklebuck first. In our next lesson, I'll teach you the verse part. But the tenor part, going first, it's basically just G and A. Remember, the song is in B flat, so the tenor is in C. So your first notes are just G and A. When it goes to the 4 chord, same thing, G and A. And on the 5 chord, you do a little walk down, B, A, G, and I'll show you. You got to use the side D without the octave key to C. So on the 5 chord, here's the part. And a little button or stinger on the end. Now, step 2, the alto part, is maybe a little bit harder because you've got to play your right hand on the top stack of the alto. You're not used to doing that, but practice now. Get your right hand where your left hand usually goes on the alto. So find your B, A, G on the alto, and then I'll show you the notes in just a minute. So here are the notes for the alto part. Remember, the song's in B flat, so the alto is in the key of G. The notes you're going to mostly be playing are B and C. So I'll play it for you, but it quickly goes to B flat and C. And here you want to play the B flat bis key with your index finger. So here's how it sounds. That's the first phrase. The second phrase is the B flat to C. Then back to the B to C. Then, when it goes to the 5 chord, you have a little pattern that starts on the A. Remember, these are all without the octave key until you get to the very last note. The last phrase is A, C, B, C, B, and then an octave B, like this. So that's the alto part. Get that under your fingers. Pause the video, and then we'll come back and put them together. Again. Okay, now let's practice with the track from Still Sold Out. Go ahead, you can do it. So congratulations, that's the lesson for today. You're playing two saxophones at once. If you want to order the track of the Hucklebuck, you can get it on CD Baby or Amazon. And I'll see you next time when I'll show you how to play the verse of this song. So meanwhile, keep the fun in your funk.